Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. We always have some kind of project going on at our house, and it is so important to have high quality tools. So I want to show you this wrench set. So this is from Prostormer. This is a set of 20 wrenches. It comes with 10 SAE wrenches and it comes with 10 metric wrenches. Now these are awesome because they are super high quality. They're made from a chrome, a vanadium steel, so they're super tough, super durable, and they are ratcheting. So that makes everything so much easier to have a ratcheting wrench. Even if you are not a mechanic or working on like mechanical or electrical projects, these come in such handy. If you have ever tried to put together a piece of furniture and use the tiny little wrenches that they provide for you, it is just terrible. So having these good quality wrenches just makes life easier. I love the ratcheting function. It just makes really quick work of tightening fasteners. And not only that, but these are really nice because the SAE ones, the ratcheting part is tilting. So you can actually move this into different positions. So if you're in a really tight fit and you need to be able to get an angle, this is a really nice way to get that job done. So it actually comes in this case and it lays out flat. Once you have it laid out, you can actually see all of the wrenches and they are clearly marked. The wrenches are also marked, so you can always put them right back where they need to go, so everything stays really well organized. So these wrenches are durable, they are very high quality, they are very well organized, and I'm really happy with them. We've already been really putting them to the test in a lot of different projects and are super impressed with the quality. So if you're looking for some ratcheting wrenches to make your life easier, I would definitely recommend this set from Prostormer, and that's my point of view.